Now when I get back, if I ever Uber again, I could put that like, tell us something interesting about yourself. I drove in Manila. Like you cannot afford to take your eyes off the road for like a nanosecond. Even like to see.
It's so busy.
To see if I'm gonna hit like that bicyclist, like I can't even look to see if I'm gonna hit it. You know, it's like you just gotta keep going straight.
Ugh. Wrong time, sir. My God. But how neat, we would have missed all this stuff.
Yeah. This is just daily life. This is okay. I think we're good. I could let my phone charge a little bit because this is pretty much like this is the route we're gonna be taking.
It's still charging.
This is the route we're gonna be taking. This will take us all the way to the guide things. I'm just gonna get my phone off.
It's so busy.
This is fucking crazy.
And of course it gets just really busy here because of the market. You know, like pedestrian wise. So it'll get better. Cool. We're tourists, will hit you on accident.
I'm sure people will see like the tourist stick and be like, "Wow, that guy's got balls. Guy's got balls." They probably
know they can't just like sneak out in front of a truck. Like you can't just walk out in front of, like, you know, like they can't see you. Yeah, that guy just swerved out of it. Where did that swerve me? Oh, good. Tourist. Those coconuts.
This is crazy.
GPS signal lost.
Oh wow.
It's okay. This is the road we're gonna be on the whole time. Yeah, 41 kilometers to Tagaytay. I feel like I'm dreaming.
I drove a little scooter. It's cute. She had like a little basket in it.
Come on, Nate, you got 25 seconds. Did you notice like people use their horns sparingly?
It's because they probably all burned them out.
That's what Alan said. He's like, "That's the horn is the first thing to go on the car he's here." He's probably right. Oh shit.
GPS signal lost.
Come on, go. Fucking Jeep, he's gonna run him down.
I was gonna
Look at this fucking tourist badge. We're like, what the fuck? This guy's a tourist? This maniac's a fucking tourist.
I wonder if the Jollibee here is different from the Jollibee. Oh my god, they have street food. Grilled food. I'll eat that.
We could start finding somewhere. I feel like
Once we're out of this.
once we're out of the chaos, yeah.
It's funny, like some people don't even
Like
look
they
in their
literally, I
mirror.
think they just expect you to accommodate them.
Did you see him? Like he wasn't even
Yeah.
looking in the mirror.
I think they just expect you to accommodate them, you know. Like it's your fault if you hit him, you know. That's what it seems like. People are, like, look at this guy. He's coming up on the left. People are just driving the wrong side of the road. No fucking. See, like if I was the Uber guy, I'd be like biting this guy right now. Like push it.
Why can you do that just to stay at the red light with